Hi. I'm sorry. I just got off the phone with my girlfriend Ginger. You know Ginger, she used to be a Las Vegas showgirl, and she's same age bracket I am, so she's retired. It's been a long time since she was a Las Vegas showgirl. But anyway, her and her girlfriends they go to Vegas a couple of times a year just to have some fun, and you know they're all around the same age, and they're always getting in trouble. They like to go to them wedding chapels and sit and watch people get married. You know, be in the witnesses or in the audience and sit there and they cry and they laugh. And I think a few places they got thrown out of. Anyway, she called me just now and said that they're going to stay another few days because of the snowstorm. A lot of the planes have been canceled. I said, okay. There's only one catch. They seem to have run out of money, so she wanted me to wire her some money. I said, okay. But I don't have very much. Just what you gave me when you left. And she didn't even remember that she gave me some money to hold back because she knows what happens when they get out there, and so she was prepared. Anyway, that's what's going on. We're having a blizzard here in Connecticut, and this poor Texas boy who's lived in Texas all my life, now in Connecticut, and I've never been in a blizzard, so I don't know. I might get blown away. You may never see me again. I hope not. Anyway, that's all I got to say about that. Bye.